Traditional salmon farming in Norway is more open, but I will still say it's fish farming and aquaculture in a sustainable way. We produce a lot of healthy food, both for Norway and the rest of the world. Aquaculture is now the third biggest export value from Norway. But of course there have been challenges, and we have been aware of that for many years now. Together with the industry, the companies, research, I think Norway is in the front to help to make this even better when it comes to the future, because we have to have a big growth in fish farming. There are no doubt in my mind that aquaculture has been, is, and will be a crucial part of securing food, healthy food, for a growing population in the future. We know that we have to increase production of food by 50% until 2050, and most of that has to come from the ocean.
BlueGreen is a Norwegian company. Today 40 people. We also hire another 40 from project to project. Our two pillars of business in BlueGreen are welding of plastic material and closed containment systems for aquaculture. So thermoplastic traditionally has been very important in infrastructure pipelines, and our welders saw the opportunity to also build structures from this material. The material can be recycled, grinded, and you can make new products. It has a good environmental footprint. It doesn't corrode, and it's very scalable when it comes to welding. So it's a super product for going into the ocean where you have corrosion problems and need to be waterproof. So for closed aquaculture systems, it's what we believe is the best material suitable.
The Marine Donut is the biggest thermoplastic construction in the world. And to achieve that, we have to develop our own equipment to speed up the production process. This development includes a semi-automatic welding machine that allows us to get better quality and reduce the production time. When Marine Donut reaches its end of life, it could be recycled into other products. And that's a really important thing for us. It reduces our carbon footprint even more.
So the idea of the Marine Donut was born in 2015, and today we're close to finalize it. It's basically a loop where the fish is swimming inside, get exercise. We have a renewal of the water more than every hour. We have double density of what is normal in an open cage because we can monitor the fish and document its welfare.
Marine Donut will solve all the challenges we look into with the traditional farming, like stop running away salmon, stop the lice problem, healthy fish welfare, and the pollution will disappear.
The Marine Donut is designed for the whole life cycles for the fish, from post-smolt to 5.5 kilo fish. We have 6 water intake. We pump in the water from a depth from 40 meter. There we have no sea lice, and also we have stable water temperature. We are able to treat the intake water with UV light to improve the water quality. Yeah, the process in Marine Donut, a flow-through system, and we have stream setters that actually create a river system inside the donut volume. We are collecting all the fish waste to reduce the pollution in the natural system. And this product we can actually use for other added value products as a fertilizer in agriculture, for example.
In order to grow the industry, we need good technology, good for the fish, good for the environment, good for the fish farmer, to provide good quality fish in a smart logistic way. With the donut technology, we have a lot of instrumentation inside that can make sure the fish is okay. We have screens, sensors, and when it comes to stress the fish, we have good overview and know how to avoid it. It's very stable when it comes to wave forces and stability in the ocean. It has a good work deck for the people to walk on top and look down to the fish if you don't want to sit and watch the screen. Because the Marine Donut has a lot of technology, instrumentation, and cameras to document and ensure that the fish is okay.
We have more than 40 water sensors that gives farmers control over the water environment. These sensors are important for us because we can monitor the water quality as temperature, oxygen, and also turbidity and CO2 in the water. Ultimately, this makes us able to create a perfect environment for the fish. What I love about technology, we can sit in our home and control and see all the parameters all over the world. We don't need to stay at the fish farm to know if the fish is good or not.
The Marine Donut is a sustainable fish farming technology that can provide either post-smolt production or market-size fish. Before you start to grow fish in the Marine Donut, you have to decide, are you going to produce post-smolt or market fish? It can do both. That's why we call it a one-size-fits-all concept. So our goal is that the Marine Donut will benefit the fish farmers by having a good way of raising fish, quality fish, in a cost-efficient way. With all the properties it has, hopefully it will not only produce good quality meat in a sustainable way, but also in a comparable production cost per kilogram. Our vision is to see hundreds of donuts throughout Norway and the rest of the world, securing healthy premium food to the growing world population. We need healthy oceans and vibrant marine life. Our goal is to produce marine donuts throughout the world, closer to the end market, and create some added value in the local communities. So please join us in reinventing aquaculture with the Marine Donut, creating sustainable environment and profitable fish farming.